The first project is creating a basic ring band. We will make a basic band using the Matt Mini-Lathe. With this exercise, you'll become familiar with the capabilities of the Mini-Lathe. Try the blue wax rod for this exercise. At first, the wax rod will spin off-center. Push the tool holding bracket forward until the cutting tool just touches the outside of the wax rod. As you work, keep the edge of the cutting tool in line with the horizontal diameter of the workpiece. Press the pedal of the flexible shaft, giving the wax a controlled, smooth spinning movement. Generally, wax rods of larger diameter need less speed, smaller rods need more speed. To eliminate vibration in the wax rod, begin by peeling off wax from the outside. Slide the cutting tool with a steady, even motion. A continuous light peeling of the wax will give your work a smooth, beautiful finish. A deeper cut will remove wax more quickly, but this technique will leave a rougher finish. Generally, use deeper cuts to rough in the shape, then use shallow cuts for precise finishing. After centering, the next step is facing the wax rod. Push the tool holding bracket forward until the cutting tool touches the face of the work. Speed up the flex shaft and push the cutting tool forward 1 millimeter. Pan it across the front of the rod. Using the square nose cutting tool, turn the inside first. Hollow the rod by bringing the cutting tool to the center of the workpiece. Gently push forward to a depth of a few millimeters beyond the desired depth of the band. Always leave some working space between the wax collet and the cutting tool, or you could damage the cutting tool by driving it into the collet. Pull the cutting tool back and move it to the left at approximately 1 millimeter intervals. Gradually widen the hole using the whole length of the tool. This will allow you some leeway when you cut off the band. Measure the inside diameter with a caliper or a wax gauge dowel. When the inside diameter is a half size smaller than the size you need, begin reducing the outside diameter. With the tool on the left side, shave off 1 millimeter at a time, pulling the tool back each time. When you reach the approximate wall thickness, touch the cutting tool into the wax just a notch and pull back. Measure the wall thickness before cutting all the way through. Here, the measurement is correct. Here, we show a step if the diameter is wrong. Simply use a lateral movement to clean off the wrong edge. Make a new notch and check the wall thickness. Align the cutting tool and cut the wall thickness all the way through. When the finger size and the wall thickness are correct, mark the width of the band. First, use a ruler to open a divider to the size you wish. Pull the cutting tool aside and use it as support for the dividers. Hold one point of the divider just off the edge of the wax. Hold the other point on the wax band and spin the flex shaft slowly. Use a graver or one of the lathe cutting tools to cut off the band. For final sizing of the wax band, use the Matt ring sizer. There are 2 blank lathe cutting tools included with your kit. Modify the tools by grinding them to create your own. Be sure to bevel all sides of the tool and polish them to keep a clean cutting edge. To loosen the cutting tool or to remove it for resharpening, use the key in the kit. Bands like this one are the basic building block for any design you wish to create. The Matt Mini-Lathe can help expand the scope of your carving achievements.